guys, today we're doing a video about Pokemon cards. So we're gonna unbox them. It's really hard. So yes. So open this. It's gonna be. Please give me a Pokemon, really good Pokemon. I'd like to have a be right. Okay, I got it. And let me cut this out. Look, oh my God, I can't open this. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, I can't even do this thing yet. Okay. Oh, there we go, I opened it. See what Pokemon cards I got. Okay, I can't get it up. Oh, no.
Hey, sit down. What are you doing up there?
Oh, I got a new Pokemon. Joltik.
Stop it. Oh, sorry.
And then I have this. I have a bright ring of mine. I hope I get Mew in this. I got Marshall Creep. This is good. I got King. I got King. Oh, I got Primeape. I got Primeape. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I got Grungan. That's not bad. I got Tangrowth. So you have me. Hotchilla. Squirtle. Spitman. And yeah, that's it for this one. So yeah, okay, let's go for the next one. Let's open this one. What is in this one? You won't know. It's a Pokemon card. Yeah. It might take a long time to get this out again because I forgot how to. Okay, nope, I opened this fast. This one is very, very hard to get out. Okay, nope, never mind. I think I broke the whole entire thing. I got Crow. Oh, I got R. Okay, let me put it. I got this. I got Hotchilla finally. I've been looking for this. I got Meryl. Ponyta. I got Link. That's not bad. I got Game of Voice Spirit Link. Oh, I got an EX! I got an EX, Mom! I got an EX! That's OP. Okay. I like this one. Okay, we got Bravery. This. I can't believe I got a Volcano X from this. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to say that I got a volcano on my internet. So that's it, guys, in this video. Bye-bye.